Most people think that building a website for their solar energy contractor business is going to be expensive and it's going to be very complicated, and they might need to know website coding. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can use the Mighty Sites platform and build a simple and affordable website for only $9 a month, and you don't even need to know any website coding. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. So if you'd like to give the platform a go, make sure to click on the link below this video and start the free trial for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So let's get started. Let me show you the platform. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. I'm now going to go ahead and search for my market, solar energy contractor. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's on Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to be closing that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. The beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all of these services. You don't need to know any website coding to make any changes or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone either to help you with this. You can literally do it all yourself. It's that simple. You can even manage it all from your smartphone. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And address, maybe you're a mobile business. You don't want to display an address, but if you do, pop it in over here in this section. And when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms where your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Head on over to the next section if you have a business logo so you can upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on this little pencil over here. On the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section at the top. If you'd like to change the colors, you don't need to know any website coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. To change the buttons and the photos used throughout your website, click on Update section directly underneath the section. Head on over to Update Image. This is where you can browse your device, or click on Search Photo Library. This is where you'll find thousands of free images to use. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account. And update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with a catalog or brochure of your business, more details and the services you offer. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where customers can easily reach out to you with their queries, keep track of all your queries, your leads coming in, and your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can actually connect it by clicking on this yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, we recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your solar energy contractor business. And I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.